Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Unity player crash with the fatal error in GC message on your Windows PC. First, completely close the game and launch it again. Sometimes this error is caused by a temporary memory issue, and a simple restart can fix it. If the game still crashes, verify its files. If you are using Steam, open Steam, go to your library, right-click the affected game, select Properties, then open installed files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files and wait for the process to finish. Steam will replace any damaged or missing files. Next, update your graphics driver. Visit the official website for your GPU manufacturer and install the latest driver available for your graphics card. You should also close unnecessary background programs. Open Task Manager by right-clicking the taskbar. Check your memory usage. If RAM usage is above 90%, close apps you do not need before starting the game. Thanks for watching.